This Christmas, I'm mixing up this white Christmas margarita. It's Christmas cocktail time, so we're gonna make a Christmas margarita. So I have my margarita glass here. I have some agave, and I'm gonna put around the rim. And we're gonna do sugar rim for this. So I have some sugar. So that's ready. Now we're gonna mix up our cocktail. We're gonna take our shaker, some ice. We're gonna use tequila, Blanco tequila, whatever's your favorite. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of tequila. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of coconut water. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, a 1/2 ounce of agave, for a little sweetness. And then we're gonna do 4 ounces of coconut milk. So this is what it's gonna give the 2, 4. This is gonna give it its nice white Christmas look for our margarita. We're gonna shake this up. And we're gonna take this off, right into our glass. Top it off with a little bit more ice and some fresh cranberries. Put that on top. This cocktail's ready. Cheers and Merry Christmas. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.